The word connection is derived from words meaning bind, tie, or join together, and today we often use the word to refer to the relationship between people. When we create high-value relationships with others through a genuine connection, we discover the common ground that binds us together, opening the door for unity and compassion. And yet, without these genuine connections, we decrease who we include as us and increase who we exclude as others. The question becomes, what can we do to create compassionate connections with others, to increase who we include as us and decrease who we exclude as others?